Welcome back to the show. We have an exciting episode for you today.
That's right.
Building trust and respect in a relationship, yan ang topic natin for today.
Laking bahagi nga ng relasyon ang tiwala at respeto. Kailangan may mutual understanding at boundaries.
Yeah.
I don't believe na may hindi selosa. We may have different personalities and situations, pero normal lang ang magselos.
Oo, seloso ako pero hindi ibig sabihin pareho tayo ng sitwasyon.
Yes.
It's all about respecting each other's feelings.
Yeah.
Kailangan balance lang.
For me lang ha, kung hindi mo kayang maging kontento sa isang tao, wag mo akong gawing partner. I'm saying this to be fair, not to be harsh. Respecting boundaries is key.
Agree ako. Pag walang contentment, mahirap mag-build ng healthy relationship. Dapat parehong nag-effort para mapanatili ang harmony.
Trust is earned and it's shown through actions. Pag wala ng tiwala, it usually means may nagawa kang mali, kaya siya naghihigpit.
Tama, and second chances are not always enough if the trust keeps getting broken. It's a process, but both parties should learn from it.
Enjoy ng sarili mo but with limitations. If you're in a committed relationship or others know na may partner ka, stop the flirting. Respeto lang.
Ang respeto ang pinaka-importante. Kung may boundaries at alam mo masasaktan partner mo, respetuhin mo kung mahal mo, 'di ba?
Walang perfect na relasyon. Kahit may mamit kang bago, may mga tampuhan pa rin yan. Pero kung hindi naman ang issue ay cheating o kawalan ng pagpapahalaga, maaayos din yun.
Kapag may foul play kasi, doon na nagsisimula ang pagkasira ng relasyon. Pag walang tiwala at respeto, sayang lang ang lahat.
Darling, but as they say, regret is at the end. So hopefully they learned something from our topic. But again, this is our opinion. You will still be the ones to decide.
Sabi nga natin kanina, hindi tayo pare-pareho, pero at least may nakuha silang ideas sa healthy relationships.
So that's it for today. See you next podcast.
Keep